रहीम। आगाज ये करता हूँ तेरे नाम से खुदाया, आगाज ये करता हूँ तेरे नाम से खुदाया, आगाज का अंजाम का मालिक तुझे पाया। The only way to tie is to see that how tie is tie. Initiative should be taken, ritual should be broken with the name of Almighty Allah. The other Christian is the King of the King, the other Christian is the Lord of the Lord. The other Christian is trustworthy, praiseworthy and worshipworthy. First of all, I am here and thank you to teaching staff of this school who gave me this a good opportunity to say something as you friend. Today I want to say something about education. Respected teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. As you know, education is the most essential thing in our life. Education is the most powerful weapon which can be used to change the world. Education can lead us to our goal and our future. Education can create the ability to be a contributor. Education is the only way to make a country progress. Education can play a vital role to bring prosperity. Education is our pride. Without education, we cannot see the reality of this world. Only by education, we can see the purpose of this world. If a country wants to get a higher position, he will have to focus on education. Education is a light in darkness. Education is the thing that can win us the problem. Therefore, education is our first priority. Thank you so much.